So after much tugging, I finally figured it out. So basically, I wasn't supposed to put this first in. I was supposed to put this up the gear stick and just push it down. It's gonna look hard, but trust me, it's gonna go inside. So you don't have to put this piece down there, because if you do, you're not gonna be able to push it into the thing. So you put them together, aligned, and just push the stick in. And that's gonna conclude my video. And I'm gonna start the car so you can see what I just did. I should have made a video before, but I didn't make a video. I would say it's a cold start because I just started the car, but it's pretty warm outside, so. So this is what it normally looks like before. So, but now you can shift the gear into the manual, so it does work. You can see you change to one, you change to drive. I'm trying to capture both of them. But it's in drive now. It's in drive. You put it into the manual. It goes into one, and so basically you can drive it like a manual stick. Well, that concludes my video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm back.